tigers, lions. Feed them with chicken legs. Feed tigers and lions in Shenzhen Zoo. We head to the tigers and lions enclosures in a cage truck. On the way, we see brown bears and wolves. This is the bucket of chicken legs. We are going to feed the animals. Tigers, here we go. It's my turn to feed tiger. Wow! Hey tigers, don't chase us. Lion. We are so close. Awesome. Yay! Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, roar! Thank zookeepers for arranging such a wonderful tour. For more fun, please subscribe Amazing Kids.